Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here today.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. The sun is shining, and I have a nice cup of tea. What about you, Emily?
I'm great. I'm excited for our episode today. It's a very important topic for all English learners.
Ah, yes, a very important topic. Sometimes learning English can be difficult. You can feel stuck.
Exactly. Stuck. Or maybe a little sad, a little frustrated. Today, we want to talk about that feeling, and we want to tell you it's okay.
It is absolutely okay. Everyone feels that way sometimes. The important thing is not to give up.
That's the message. Don't give up. We have a great conversation to share with you today to help with this.
Yes, we do. But before we listen, we have a small favor to ask.
That's right. If you like our podcast, please take a moment to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
It helps us so much, and it helps other people find our channel. Thank you.
Okay, are you ready, Paul?
I am ready. Let's get started.
Perfect. So we are going to listen to a conversation between two friends. Their names are Mark and Sarah.
Listen carefully. Sarah is feeling a little sad about her English. Let's hear what happens.
Here we go.
Hi, Sarah. How's it going?
Hey, Mark. I'm okay, just a little frustrated.
Oh? What's wrong?
It's my English. I feel like I'm not making any progress.
I understand that feeling, but don't give up.
It's hard. I try to speak, but the words just don't come out right.
That's totally normal. It just takes practice.
I know, but it's discouraging.
Hey, do you want to practice with me? No pressure at all.
Really? You would do that?
Of course. We can start with something simple, like watching a movie with English subtitles.
That actually sounds fun. Not like studying.
Exactly. Are you free this Friday night?
Yes, I am. That would be great.
Perfect. It's a plan. You are doing better than you think.
Thanks, Mark. I feel better already.
And that was the conversation. A very nice and very real conversation.
Yes, I think many of our listeners understand how Sarah feels. Let's talk about it.
Good idea. Let's go back to the beginning. Mark says, "Hi, Sarah. How's it going?"
How's it going is a great phrase. It's a friendly way to say, how are you?
Yes, very common, very natural. You can say, "How are you?" "How are you doing?" or "How's it going?"
They all mean the same thing. Mark is just saying hello and asking if Sarah is okay.
And what does Sarah say? She says, "Hey, Mark, I'm okay, just a little frustrated."
Frustrated. That's a big word for today. What does it mean, Emily?
Frustrated is a feeling. It's when you try to do something, but you can't. It makes you feel a little angry and a little sad.
Ah, yes. For example, my pen doesn't work. I try and I try. I feel frustrated.
That's a perfect example. Or you can't open a jar of pickles. That is very frustrating for me.
Me too. So Sarah is not frustrated with a pen or a jar. She is frustrated with her English.
Exactly. So Mark hears this and he asks, "Oh, what's wrong?"
This is a very kind question. When you see a friend is not happy, you can ask, "What's wrong?" or "Is everything okay?"
Yes, it shows you care. And Sarah tells him. She says, "It's my English. I feel like I'm not making any progress.
Progress. This is another important word. Progress is when you move forward, you get better.
That's a great way to explain it. If you are climbing a mountain, going up is progress.
And if you stop climbing, you are making no progress. You are in the same place.
Right. So Sarah feels she is in the same place with her English. She feels she is not getting better.
And this is a very common feeling for language learners. Some days you feel great, and some days you feel like Sarah.
It's so true. But Mark is a good friend. He says, I understand that feeling, but don't give up.
Don't give up. This is the #1 message of our episode today. It means keep trying. Don't stop.
Yes, it's so important. Even when it's hard, don't give up.
Sarah says, it's hard. I try to speak, but the words just don't come out right.
Oh, I understand this feeling so well. You have the word in your head, but your mouth says something different.
Yes. Or you forget the word completely. You think, what is that word for the thing you sit on? Chair.
Exactly. And Sarah feels this. The words don't come out right. It's a perfect description.
But look what Mark says next. He says, that's totally normal.
This is so nice to hear. Totally means 100%, completely. And normal means it happens to everyone. It's okay.
So Mark is telling her, Sarah, this is 100% okay. Everyone has this problem. It makes her feel better.
It does. It shows she is not alone. Then Mark gives the solution. He says, it just takes practice.
Ah, practice. The magic word for learning anything.
Yes. What is practice, Paul?
Practice is when you do something again and again and again. You practice piano, you practice soccer, you practice English.
And when you practice, you get better. Slowly, but you get better.
That's the key. It might be slow, but it is progress.
But Sarah is still feeling sad. She says, I know, but it's discouraging.
Discouraging. This is similar to frustrating. It's a feeling that makes you want to stop. It takes away your courage.
A very good explanation. If something is discouraging, you feel like, oh, maybe I should just quit.
But Mark has a fantastic idea. He doesn't just say, practice more, he helps. He says, hey, do you want to practice with me? No pressure at all.
Wow, Mark is a superstar friend. This is so kind. He offers to help her.
Yes, and he says, no pressure at all. This is very important. What does no pressure mean?
No pressure means you don't have to be perfect. It's okay to make mistakes. We're just having fun. There is no test.
Exactly. It makes practicing feel safe and relaxed. If there is no pressure, you are not afraid to try.
And Sarah is so happy. She says, really? You would do that? She is surprised and grateful.
Of course. And Mark says, of course, which is a strong, friendly way to say yes.
Then he gives a simple, fun idea for practice. He says, we can start with something simple, like watching a movie with English subtitles.
This is my favorite way to practice. It's so much fun. You watch a movie, you listen to the English, and you can read the words.
The words at the bottom of the screen are the subtitles. This is a great tip for our listeners. Watch movies you like in English with English subtitles.
It's not like studying from a book. It's relaxing. And Sarah agrees. She says, that actually sounds fun, not like studying.
Sounds fun is a great phrase. It means, I think that will be fun. For example, let's go to the beach. You can say, that sounds fun.
Good example. And Mark agrees with her. He says, exactly.
Exactly is a word you use when you agree 100%. It means you are completely right.
Yes. So they are both on the same page. They think it's a good, fun idea.
So now they need to make a plan. Mark asks, are you free this Friday night?
A simple and clear way to ask someone to do something. Are you free means, do you have time? Are you busy?
You can ask, are you free on Monday? Are you free this weekend?
And Sarah's answer is simple and happy. Yes, I am. That would be great.
She is happy and excited about the plan. That would be great is a wonderful, positive phrase.
So Mark confirms the plan. He says, perfect. It's a plan.
I love that. It's a plan. It means, okay, we have decided. We will do this. It's very clear.
Yes. And then Mark says one more very kind thing. He says, you are doing better than you think.
Oh, this is maybe the most important sentence in the whole conversation.
I agree. We are often our biggest critics. We think our English is terrible.
Yes, but other people can see our progress. Mark tells Sarah, your English is good, better than you feel right now.
It gives her confidence. It makes her feel happy and hopeful.
And it works. The last line from Sarah is, thanks, Mark. I feel better already.
Already. It means so soon. Just talking to her friend for 2 minutes made her feel better.
It's amazing. Sometimes talking about the problem is the first step to feeling better.
And having a good friend to help is wonderful. Mark didn't just say, practice. He said, let's practice together.
That's the difference. He offered his time and his help. And he made it fun.
So, for our listeners, if you are feeling frustrated, first, know that it's normal.
Yes, totally normal. Second, try to find a fun way to practice, like watching a movie.
And third, if you have a friend to practice with, that is fantastic. You can help each other.
This was a wonderful conversation to analyze. I think it has so many good lessons.
I agree. The vocabulary is simple, but the message is so powerful.
Shall we listen to it one more time? I think it will be much clearer for everyone now.
Excellent idea. Now that we have talked about the words and phrases, listen again. See how much more you can understand.
Okay, everyone. Here is the conversation with Mark and Sarah one more time.
Hi, Sarah. How's it going?
Hey, Mark. I'm okay, just a little frustrated.
Oh? What's wrong?
It's my English. I feel like I'm not making any progress.
I understand that feeling, but don't give up.
It's hard. I try to speak, but the words just don't come out right.
That's totally normal. It just takes practice.
I know, but it's discouraging.
Hey, do you want to practice with me? No pressure at all.
Really? You would do that?
Of course. We can start with something simple, like watching a movie with English subtitles.
That actually sounds fun. Not like studying.
Exactly. Are you free this Friday night?
Yes, I am. That would be great.
Perfect. It's a plan. You are doing better than you think.
Thanks, Mark. I feel better already.
Wow! It feels different the second time, doesn't it?
It really does. I can understand Sarah's feelings more, and I can really appreciate what a good friend Mark is.
Yes, exactly. He is patient and kind. He doesn't say, your English is bad. He says, that's normal. Let's practice.
It's a great model for how to help a friend. And it's a great reminder for all of us learners. Be kind to yourself.
That's so important. Learning a language is a long journey. There are good days and bad days.
On the bad days, remember Sarah and remember Mark's advice. Don't give up.
And you are doing better than you think.
I love that. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode today. I feel very positive and motivated now.
Me too. I hope our listeners do as well. Remember that every little bit of practice is progress.
That's right. And we are here to help you on your journey.
Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel and share this episode with friends or family who are also learning English.
Yes, and we have a question for you. In the comments below, please tell us, what do you do to practice English when you feel frustrated? Do you watch a movie like Mark and Sarah? Do you listen to music?
We would love to read your ideas. Your ideas can help other listeners too.
Thank you all so much for listening today. It was a lot of fun.
It certainly was. Keep practicing and don't give up. We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.